If you are brand new to the channel, we just recently picked up this Dodge Challenger SRT8 from auction for $6,000. It had a blown motor. We actually just recently replaced it, got it running. In today's video, I am going to be learning how to drive stick. So I'm sure a few of you are going to clown on me out there for not knowing how to drive a stick. I've never had the chance to own a manual car before, so this Challenger is actually my first manual. So I do not know how to drive stick yet. So you guys are gonna come along with me and we're gonna learn how to drive a manual. And what better car to learn on than a 425 horsepower Dodge Challenger SRT8. So it's gonna be a ton of fun because you know, it's never too late to learn. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. But yeah, without further ado, let's go get into today's video and let's do this. And something I wanna do real quick is we are actually going to install a new steering wheel. So I am going to be wearing a GoPro for one of the camera angles for this video, and I really want to have our new steering wheel installed for this. You know, it is a 2009 and these steering wheels look super old, super dated. So we're gonna be swapping this thing out for a brand new carbon fiber one. So let's take a look and see what we've got. So it is made from genuine carbon fiber. You know, we've got the 12 o'clock orange stripe. It's got the orange accent stitching. So absolutely gorgeous steering wheel. It does have the flat bottom as well. This one does not have the cutout for the steering wheel buttons. We're not gonna get to that in today's video, but in another video, I am going to be cutting into these a little bit so that way we can mount up the steering wheel controls and keep that. So once again, here's the original wheel and here's our carbon fiber one. So first thing I'm gonna do right now is actually mount this up, get this fully installed, and then we will take this thing out and learn how to drive manual. All right, let's go do this. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna have my dad drive it to a parking lot. Let's go learn how to drive this thing. All right, you guys, here we go. So I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time. Okay, so give me the basics real quick.
Yeah, this one's hard. So it's been a long time since I've driven a stick. So I struggled a little bit until I figured this clutch out. So get used to the motion of when to apply and when to depress. And right now we're in neutral.
So we're in neutral.
Go ahead and push the clutch in. And then I always do brake while the clutch is in. Now take the emergency brake off.
Yep. Parking brake.
So now,
so
if you took off the brake, we would just roll forward or back. If you took your foot off the clutch now, it would kill. It would stall the car. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna give it gas as you start to release that clutch.
Okay.
And so it's gonna be a motion where, as I mentioned, it's a deep clutch. So you're gonna start lifting it off, and it feels like you're lifting it off forever before the car actually starts going.
Okay.
And at the same time, you're gonna kind of rev the engine so that when you listen to it, it's a nice motion of giving it enough gas. Slow. Yep, perfect. Give it a little more gas. There you go. There you go. More gas. More gas. There you go. Holy cow, first time you didn't even kill it. Didn't even stall it. So come up here. So now you're off the clutch, right?
Yep,
so now
off
you're
the
just
clutch.
driving in first.
Yep.
So once you want to go to a second, you're going to accelerate till you hear the engine want to shift.
Okay.
Then you're going to depress the clutch and shift into second gear.
So I'm in first gear right now, still just cruising around.
So you head back, yep. Okay, head that way, okay, go, quick, keep going, get it up to speed. Second, now clutch off, good, yeah, boom. Holy cow, you're gonna be a natural. So bring it up here and take it to a stop again.
And so when I go to a stop, what do I do?
So you're gonna push the brake in, and then just before you'll hear the engine go low, okay, brake.
Okay.
Now clutch, just before the engine stalls. Okay. So you're at first?
Yep.
Okay, so now you're gonna do that.
So let off the brake.
Yep, let off the brake, and then you just
do a little bit of gas.
Okay, see?
Oh man,
it's kind of tricky, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you'll figure out where the sweet spot is with the giving it the gas. Once you figure out... Okay, he had to stall it once. Everybody has to do that.
I'm gonna take these off.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are in neutral first.
There you go. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes I think we're starting too slow. Like that felt like a natural start.
Okay.
That one's ready for the road, those kind of starts. You want to go do a road?
Not quite.
Oh, that's going to be where the fun is. You've not learned until you've stalled it out in a busy road. You're getting it. Like, that's fast on a clutch that's this hard.
I think I might be.
Okay, let's try it. Do one more start and then let's go. Because that's where the comedy comes in.
Oh gosh.
Just wait till you have plenty of time and then like just do what you did.
Okay, here we go.
Here, should we start a new video? Hold on. And the first go. Let's go enough. Whoa.
Oof.
There you go.
Not off to a great start.
You didn't stall it. It was not smooth by any means, but you didn't second,
Okay.
third, and give it a little more. Now, there you go. So you feel that compression?
Yeah.
That's how when people say you can slow down just by downshifting, that's what it does.
This is definitely a lot scary being out on the road.
Okay, downshift to third again. See? And then if it went, oh wait, now downshift to second. Oh no, you're still going a little too fast, but now go to second. Oh, now we're gonna stop. This is good.
Oh gosh.
Start the light all over again. Oh shoot.
Okay, here we go. First red light.
Here we go.
No pressure.
Out on the road. It's a busy road too, so everybody who's done this has a memory of stalling out in the middle of traffic. Okay, not bad, not bad. Whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
Too hot on that gas. Back off the gas when you're... There you go. When you clutch it, you gotta come off the gas.
Okay.
There you go. Total natural on day shifting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on.
What do you mean, hold on? I had to get moving.
Beauty.
Whew, okay.
That was good. So there you got it. Oh.
Okay. I feel like I'm finally
Got it.
starting to get the knack for it a little
that's
bit.
The problem is the parking lot, like, it's artificial. You're not gonna get good there because you just have to get out and drive. I'm afraid we're gonna lose Brandon now for hours every day.
Oh, I'm gonna be out here practicing all the time.
We learned a tricky car quick, so it's true. So anybody can learn how to drive one of these things.
Yeah, so once again, this will be given away. So for those of you who do not know how to drive stick, if you win this thing, you might be in the same boat as me, and definitely does seem a little bit scary at first, but you know, we've been out here for what, 30 minutes, an hour, and I definitely am feeling a lot more comfortable.
And you enjoy it more.
Yeah.
So,
Oh no, it's green.
go through in a second.
Ooh. Okay.
Now you're feeling
There we go.
getting a sense for what this has in it. That's why I say
Yeah.
it's hard. It's a powerful car. So you combine that with a clutch you just have to figure out. But once you do,
I don't even know what gear I'm in right now. I think I'm in third.
you're in third. Yeah. I think maybe they think. Okay, this car's trying to get out. No, not anymore.
Man, this lady's so close.
Yes. He's always been a natural.
I don't know about that.
Well, judging by the tickets you got as a kid.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
It is a lot of fun. I'm just gonna have to practice a lot. I think I just gotta work on that start stop, and
Yep.
I think I'll have it down. Yeah, thanks for helping me. How long do you think it took you to really get the hang of it to where you felt comfortable?
Probably took a few days.
There's the cop right maybe not the best time to film this, where it's 5:30 just about. So we are pretty much right in the middle of rush hour. You know, can't really do too much driving. It's just a bunch of start-stop, which honestly is probably the best way to learn how to drive a manual. Having to do this in traffic, you know, you're kind of forced to pick it up pretty quick. But it does stink for right now. Man, on those downshifts, you really hear those crackles. But, you know, hopefully you guys can see, definitely improved quite a bit from where I started that first day trying to learn. So really is not too difficult. You know, you just kind of have to get into it and start. But it's a ton of fun. It is a ton of fun, and I've only been, you know, driving it for a few days now. It's gonna be so much fun though. It is definitely way more fun than driving an automatic, at least in a car like this. And I know that automatics and manuals do have their pros and cons, but when it comes to driving experience and just having fun behind the wheel, I will take a manual over an automatic any day. There are a lot of cops out right now too, so really it's just not the best time to be doing this. But hopefully this will give you guys a good idea for what it's like. Yeah, look at all these cops. 1, 2. I think my biggest fear so far with driving a manual, you know, I'm kind of out of the scary zone of getting started. Haven't really stalled out in a while, knock on wood. Scariest part for me is going from 4th to 5th. I'm just so nervous I'm gonna accidentally throw it in reverse at, you know, 60 miles an hour. So that's my biggest fear as of right now. But besides that, you know, I feel totally comfortable driving a manual, and it's been 2-3 days of, you know, just some basic practicing. Hey guys, well, there it is. So just about as tricky as I would have thought it would be, but you guys saw after a little bit, kind of started getting the hang of it. You know, I've maybe tried to drive stick for like 10 minutes a few years ago on one of my buddy's cars, but besides that, this was my first experience driving a manual. You can see my park job is very crooked. Putting it in reverse down the slant was pretty tough, but definitely a ton of fun. So hopefully this video will help inspire those of you who don't know how to drive either. You know, I know I was definitely a little reluctant, a little bit scared to drive it first, but definitely had a ton of fun. I cannot wait to get more used to this car, really get it out on the road and see what it can do. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any other tips, any recommendations for those of us who are new to driving manual, drop them down below in the comments. Absolutely loving this car. We're gonna have a lot of fun building this thing and building our Dodge Chargers. If you've not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and go into the giveaway. You could win this car or our Dodge Charger. So you got a shot at taking either of these two cars home. But yeah, got a lot of cool content coming with these two things. So stay tuned, but thanks again for watching, and I'll catch y'all later.